Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off detailed voice guidance on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And when you land on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear, and scroll down and tap on settings over here, which is just below your data in maps, and again scroll down to the bottom of the list, and when you land over here you can see the navigation settings. Tap on it and you land on this interface. Again scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can find the detailed voice guidance option available for us. Now in order to turn it off, if the toggle icon is turned on blue, tap on it, and when the toggle icon turns to gray, it will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how to detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.